many lessons are in the chapter?
Good question, Mrs. Murphy. I'll look at her book because I don't have this memorized yet. Because this is brand new for me. So we have. Actually, you know what? I was wrong. This is our last lesson of this chapter. I was thinking we had a few more, but this is our last lesson. So then, that's right. Tomorrow we will review, and that's right. Thursday we'll have our math test on this chapter. Okay, so we are on, as we just found out, I thought there was a couple more, but I was wrong. We are on chapter 6, lesson 8, and this problem-solving strategy is to guess. Sometimes we have to take a guess. Sometimes we have to check our answer to make sure we're right, or sometimes our answer is wrong. And if our answer is wrong, that's okay. That means we have to revise it. And revise means we have to fix it. Because we're not going to answer our problems correct the first time every time. Can I see everybody's eyes here? John, what are you doing with your bottle? Why don't you go throw that in the garbage, please? Or go put it in your book bag. Because you already have your water bottle. Thank you. So sometimes we have to guess, check our answer, and then sometimes we have to fix it. And sometimes it is not right. Now, we have already learned some strategies already. We have already learned how to find a pattern. That was in the first chapter. Chapter 2 was to make a model. And chapter 3 was a number sentence. And chapter 4 was to write a number sentence. And last chapter, it was logical reasoning, using our brain. So today, we're going to learn how to guess, check, and revise. Our essential question for this whole chapter is, how can I add 3-digit numbers? Make sure you put your pencils down, eyes up here, and we're going to watch this lesson.
Problem-solving strategy. Guess, check, and revise. A store has 183 pumpkins. A truck dropped off some more. Now the store has about 400 pumpkins. How many pumpkins could have been dropped off? First, we need to understand the problem. What do we know? The store has 183 pumpkins. A truck dropped off more pumpkins, and now the store has about 400 pumpkins. What do we need to find? We need to find how many pumpkins were dropped off. Now we need a plan. We will guess, check, and revise to solve the problem. Now let's solve the problem. Our first guess will be 100 pumpkins. Check the guess by adding 100 to 183. That gives a total of 283 pumpkins. That guess is too low. We can revise our guess. We'll need to guess a higher number. Let's try 200 pumpkins. 183 plus 200 equals 383 pumpkins. That is close to 400. So 200 pumpkins could have been dropped off. Now let's check our answer. Is our answer reasonable? How do we know? 383 is close to 400. So the answer is reasonable.
Okay, so that's what we're going to practice today. We're going to practice guessing, checking, and revising our answer. Now, I want you to put your name at the top of the sheet.